Ayan mga kapatid, saksiyan po natin yung ating video presentation ng mga couple.
Dalawa pa hindi siya sure. Inalaga ang hayo. Hindi apat ang paa, dalawang paa. Isda. Lumalangoy, hindi lumalangoy. Basta sa bahay. Nanggigigil na ate sa'yo. Daga. Maliit. Butiki. Ipis.
Kunti pa, nalaga. Lahat ng maliit na hayop doon sa bahay yung kanya kasi
Surot. Maliit eh.
Sige pa, lahat ng maliit, sabihin mo na.
Gagamba. Ana, 142. Ginugulat mo si Kajoy eh.
Take pa yan. Nais daw niya eh. Kiramdam naman lumalabas.
Dito ka. Siya daw muna.
Wala.
Diba, nais eh. Makiramdam niyo lumalabas. Ay, tigil.
Kaya nga, sabi ko lagyan ng konti na rin. Kumiyasya na muna, lagyan na yung mga babies natin. Sabi mo? Daming bites, oh. Daming videos. Huwag niyo po i-upload yan. Maawa po kayo sa amin. Sa amin na lang. Ay, parang gusto ko na umalis yan. parehin mo ng tubig. Parehin mo ng tubig.
Saan po yung clinic? Waiter, pakiready po yung mga ano dyan ha? Oxygen.
Yung BP, pakiready din po. Ayun na.
Wala ba kayong mga kapatid?
Ayun na.
And it's too late. It's time to go away. Time to go away. Sometimes you get to recognize that's just a surprise. And it's too late. It's just too late to stay. Too late to stay. We'll always be together. However hard it seems. We'll always be together, together in electric dreams.
Kaya po tayo mga kapatid! It's our night! It's our mission night! Kaya tayo gusto! Yung mga ganyan Travolta's na nilabas nila!
Because the friendship that you gave has left me
Cowboy! May tanong-tas na mga ito!
not right. I find a better right. Find a better right. Oh, totally your smiles miles away. I see you every day. I don't want to try. I just close my eyes. I close my eyes. We'll always be together, however far it seems. We'll always be together, together in electric dreams.
Sayaw po lahat! Sayaw lahat!
We'll always be together.
Para mawala ka masakit sa tuhod!
We'll always be together, together in electric dreams.
Kajol. Sayo, Kajol. Nawala.
Hindi! Wala akong upo! Dito lang po tayo lahat! Yan! Closer po! Closer!
Closer together.
Ayan! Next song natin, Bubble Cup. Asa ba si Kanemi? Ayan si Kashi, ayan susundan. Sige po, dito po tayo. Susundan po natin yung ating 6 Mars. Yeah! Yeah! Oh. Sige po, mga kapatid na yung mga bulot!
Ati ng gabi! Ati ng gabi!
Let's go!
Will you build me up out of my baby just to let me down and mess me around in the worst of all? You never told me when you say you will, but I love you, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that right from the start. So build me up out of God, don't break my heart.
I'm gonna tell you truly time and again, but you're late. I wait around the dead. The door I can take anymore. It's up to you. You let me down again. Baby,
just to let me down and mess me around and do worse of all, worse of all. You never go, baby, when you say you will. But I love you, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I'm from the start. So build me up, build it up, don't break my heart. Just to let me know, true, I'm attracted to you all the more. Why do I need you so? Maybe, baby, you're trying to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why don't you build me up, baby, just let me down, and mess me around and the worst of all, you never told baby when you say you will, but I love you, I need you more than anyone, darling. You're not a half from the start, so build me up, powder cup, don't break my heart. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that half from the start, so build me up, powder cup, don't break my heart. More than anyone from the start, so build me up.
Chacha lang, chacha!